Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. A deadly shooting incident at a Dream weekend party in Westmoreland on Friday has prompted the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA to implement what it calls serious training for safe firearm use. The FLA is also promising stringent enforcement as it launches its own investigation into the fatal shooting. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has our Primetime News follow-up.
We are about to implement serious training as it relates to safe use and use of force policies for all firearm holders.
This move from the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA in the aftermath of a deadly shooting at a Dream weekend party on Friday, which left one licensed firearm holder dead.
It is of great concern to us as it relates to incidents of this nature and persons resorting to the firearm as first resort, so to speak.
The deceased is 37-year-old Jean Matthew of a Millsborough Crescent address in Kingston. It's understood that Matthew tried to take a female who did not have a VIP armband into the VIP section of the Dream Life party. A confrontation followed after he was reportedly denied by the security guard. It's further reported that Matthew pulled a weapon and pointed it at the security, after which the security allegedly shot him. The incident has brought into focus for the FLA a need for the authority to more stringently enforce existing safe use policies for firearm holders.
Some persons, as they would say, can't hold their liquor. The moment they hear certain songs that they like, you hear of gun salutes and so on, which is a no-no. Firearms, alcohol, not a perfect mix. It's a zero tolerance where we are concerned. The enforcement team will be out. We'll be looking at individuals who are at parties having such drink and behaving in boisterous manner.
Reports will be taken to the board of the FLA on a case-by-case basis to determine whether an individual found to be in breach of the policy is fit and proper to carry a firearm. In May, the FLA revoked the license of a man who pulled his firearm in the Halfway Tree branch of the National Commercial Bank. In the meantime, the FLA will be carrying out its own investigation into the fatal shooting at the Dream Weekend party.
The person in question will be coming in to give us a statement as it relates to what took place.
That person in question is the security guard who allegedly shot and killed the patron. The security guard is to give his statement to the FLA on Tuesday, since Monday is a public holiday. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.